Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to alternate row color in Google Sheets. So this is very simple. First go over to Insert and or Format and then click on Alternating Colors. Now simply the default style is this kind of gray style, and you should see the custom styles down here. So we could add your custom style and then add a new one, so you could have this default style and this custom one. So click on this custom one and you can simply change it to these styles that you have here, as you can see, or you can select your own colors. So let's say the header will be this yellow button, color, and the other row will be green and every other will be blue. So it is really simple to customize it. Just add it here and press done. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.